Alright guys, what's going on? You know who it is, you know what it is. We have another how-to. We got a 2008 Saturn View, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. So the first thing you want to do is come up here to this top part, and I like to use my little panel removal tool right here, and we're just going to pop this top part off. It's only held in by clips. The easiest thing for me is I started on the sides, and I just kind of work my way around. And next thing we're going to do is take these two Phillips out. Once we take these two Phillips out, and it looks like somebody already tried to do this once, we are going to be able to take out the whole front part. So let's take out these Phillips. Alright, so before we actually take this top part out, we need to come down here to the bottom. We're going to get that little piece out, and we have one Phillips that's going to be holding this. Alright, so after we got this loose, and we just need to get it loose because this ridge on the bottom of the kit on top is behind that part. So that's the only reason we need to take that off. So now we're just stuck with these, look like 10 mil bolts, and once we take those 4 10s out, we'll have that radio. All right, and with those 4 10s out, we have our harness right there. And that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and wire this thing up. Alright guys, so that's how it looks when it's all done. The dash kit, the wire harness, antenna adapter, all the parts that you need, I'm going to put them in the description below with links so you guys can do this kind of thing yourself. I do have a video on how to install a CD player, so this is just a how to take this out, and you can refer back to that video. I'll probably drop a card right there in the top corner so you can see how to do it yourself. Other than that, this is JP signing out, and I hope I made your install life a little bit easier. Wow!